Namaskar and welcome to the Geopolitical Times. Donald Trump is back in the White House, a development that has sparked both optimism and concern in India.
America is Trump country again. He has pulled off the improbable.
During his first term, Trump's presidency was marked by a mix of cooperation and controversy. On one hand, the US India relationship flourished in different fields like defense, counterterrorism, and energy. On the other hand, his policies on trade and immigration introduced significant challenges. As Trump 2.0 begins, many Indians are asking, what does his return means for India? But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth analysis on geopolitics.
Donald Trump has declared himself winner of the 2024 U.S. presidential election. Trump made a victory.
During his first term, Trump made bold moves that resonated in India. After the Pulwama terror attack in 2019, the US supported the designation of Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar as a global terrorist by the United Nations Security Council. Additionally, Pakistan was grey-listed by the Financial Action Task Force (FATF) in 2018, a step that added pressure on its economy and curbed terror financing. India and US also strengthened their defense ties. Under Trump's first term, India and the USA signed crucial agreements like the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement (BECA) and the Communications Compatibility and Security Agreement (COMCASA), both of which enhanced defense cooperation and intelligence sharing. Strategically, Trump's tenure also saw the revival of the Quad, a critical grouping of India, the US, Japan, and Australia. He also renamed the US Pacific Command to the US Indo Pacific Command, signaling America's commitment to countering China's growing influence. However, the story was not all positive. Trade disputes dominated much of Trump's first term. India, once the largest beneficiary of the Generalized System of Preferences (GSP), lost its preferential trade status. Donald Trump criticized India's trade policies many times, even calling it a tariff king for imposing high duties on imports like Harley Davidson motorcycles.
Immediately. India, which is the tariff king.
Later.
Well, India charges us tremendous tariffs when we send Harley Davidsons, motorcycles, other things to India. They charge very, very high tariffs.
Trump's immigration policy significantly disrupted the flow of talent between India and the US, particularly in IT and healthcare. The Indian IT services industry, which exports 54% of its output to the US, faced harsher challenges due to Trump's anti-immigration stance. The H-1B visa denial rates spiked from 6% in 2015 to nearly 30% by 2020, impacting Indian IT giants like TCS, Infosys, and Wipro. Indian students who contribute $8 billion annually to the US economy faced greater scrutiny and delays, prompting many to explore alternative destinations. The healthcare sector also struggled with visa delays, increasing labor shortages during the COVID-19 pandemic. Trump's return presents a mixed bag for India. On the one hand, his clear stance against terrorism and his recognition of China as a strategic threat aligns with India's interest. His policies during his first term firmly established China as a rival, bringing the US and India closer in the Indo-Pacific strategy. On the other hand, his America First policy could continue to disrupt trade ties. If Trump restarts stricter immigration policies, it could stifle opportunities for Indian professionals and hurt India's tech industry. Interestingly, Trump's less aggressive stance on Russia could indirectly benefit India. A pragmatic US approach toward Moscow might allow India to maintain its cooperation with Russia without as much Western scrutiny. Conclusion: as Trump begins his second term, India's diplomatic, economic, and strategic challenges will evolve. While his tough stance on China and terrorism might bolster India's global position, issues like trade disputes and immigration policies could hinder progress in certain sectors. What do you think? Will Trump's second term strengthen US India ties or complicate them further? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Geopolitical Times.